Action!
No, Patrick. I can't leave my mother. Ngayon pa na na-aksidente siya?
Eh, akala ko ba you want to cut off your mother from your life?
Well, that was before the accident. Ano ba? Patrick naman, please lang oh. Sa tagal ng relasyon natin, ako na lang lagi nagbibigay. Sa'yo, sa pamilya mo. For once, stand up for yourself. For your family. Kami naman yung piliin mo, hindi yung gusto ng nanay mo.
Really?
Ma.
Huwag mo ang malason-lason ng utak ng anak ko. If you don't wanna go, then don't! It's not up to you. It's up to me. And that's that.
Reaction. And cut.